You've changed formulas, tried new bottles, adjusted feeding positions, and even cut foods from your own diet, and your baby is still crying and still in pain. You're not missing anything and you're not doing it wrong. No one has shown you the real reason your baby's reflux isn't getting better. Every solution you've been given treats symptoms and not the cause. If you're here, it's probably because you've done everything you've been told to do. You've changed the formulas, adjusted feeding angles, paced the feeds, tried medications, cut foods from your diet, changed the milks, and still your baby cries, still arches, still struggles. And I want you to hear this clearly. You haven't missed anything, you haven't failed, and you're not doing it wrong. What's really happening is that every single thing you've been told to try so far has been about treating symptoms rather than causes. Reflux is a symptom, not a disease. And until somebody helps you understand exactly what's actually causing your baby's reflux, then nothing you try is ever going to create lasting change. This is the piece no one else talks about. I'm Anya Homer, also known as the Baby Reflux Lady, and I help parents figure out what's actually causing their baby's reflux so they can help their baby be comfortable in their own body. I've worked with thousands of families from across the world, and everything I share here is based on root cause care, not tips or tricks to just keep you in that cycle of reflux. Imagine I said to you, hey, let's meet in New York. Just go west, because that's how I get there from London. But if I haven't asked you where you're starting from, because if you're in Texas or Johannesburg or Sydney, then if you follow my directions, go west, you will never get to New York following my directions. You'll just keep going around in circles. Keep your baby upright after a meal. Feed them upright. Burp them. Swap out the milk. Change the pacifier. Have a tongue tie. See a body worker. These are all somebody's directions, but are they your directions? Everything you've been given so far, these are directions, but they're not your baby's directions, because without anybody asking you all the questions to figure out where your baby's actually starting from, what the root cause of their discomfort is, then you are always going to be following somebody else's directions. So you keep trying new directions and you stay lost. There's nothing wrong with you. You simply haven't been given the right map, compass, or directions for your baby's reflux. You see, what no doctor will ever tell you is that reflux is a symptom rather than a disease. And because it's a symptom, it will always have something that causes it. The complex thing is that there are over 30 different things that I've identified in the last 12 years that can cause or contribute to a baby's reflux, including oral function, birth interventions, stress in pregnancy, mom's diet, formula ingredients, bottle shape, allergies, digestive maturity, and so much more. Body work, chiropractic or osteopathy support can't solve the cause of reflux if baby's reflux is an allergy. Just like changing the milk for a baby with a tongue tie won't help their reflux. We must first find out what is causing your baby's discomfort so we can figure out the right plan of action for them. And this is possible. You do this by capturing all of their symptoms and behaviors. Now, in the next video, I'm going to share the only generic tip I ever give, and a tip I give to all parents of babies with reflux. It's something else that nobody else is talking about. And after that, I'll dive into the biggest mistakes around baby reflux. So go watch the next video and find out what is the most important thing for calming your baby, even when you can't yet resolve their pain.